little lesson right here. We got a little lesson. Let's see if you want to play. Welcome back to another video. I'm TT Caleb.
Two-turn crew.
Hello, how are you? Hey, what we gonna do today? I'm gonna teach. I posted this on TikTok. You see this comment? I posted that on TikTok, and Buddy was like, "How do I get that gas mileage on a GT?" People trying me. People don't believe I got a GT. So, but basically, I'm gonna teach y'all how to get that gas mileage, how the car reacts to how far you drive, stuff like that. So basically, before I get into all that, we got the big dog one out. If y'all, hopefully y'all can see the vet, the Audi all road. That's on hard. Look at it. Ooh, what is that stupid? But before I get in that how to, I'm show y'all little pipe. Look. I ain't hit it for real. So I'm gonna give y'all little pipes, whatnot. Now I ain't trying to keep y'all bored the whole time. Hold on one time. Woo! Why people do this? Why is you slowing down so much, man? I ain't getting a mess. Hold on. Before I let it out, look at the all road. Oh my gosh, that's almost sexy. But so basically, what I just did, if you want like a average miles per gallon, if you want it high, don't do that. Like what I just did, hitting it all the time, you're not gonna get, you're gonna get probably I say 15, 12 or something like that. Because this car, I promise you, my Focus, this car, I would rather drive this every day. If I wasn't, depreciation or miles and stuff, I'd rather drive this every day because it's 10 times better on gas. It's just more expensive. Because I put premium in my thing. But like I was saying, like don't hit it all the time. When you stopping and starting, just get on the gas easy. There ain't no need to. And I need to do all that all the time. I'm only doing it because I'm filming right now. And also, what I noticed, we drove before in June that the highest the guy.
Now Eric's fourth attempt. I can't get it out right now.
Get out of my goddamn car!
The highest the average miles per gallon got was 24. That is a lot for a GT. I was like, oh, okay. So the more you drive, further you drive, the more gas mileage you get, and then the more the tank holds. Like right now, I filled it up to about 320 miles for the whole thing. Let me see if you want to play.
On tour.
We got a little lesson right here. Let's see if you want to play, man. Let's see. I'll excuse my language, I'm tripping. Oh, you want to play? Oh yeah, we playing. Playing now. Bye. Look, the only reason I play with them is because I'm filming. Like otherwise, I'll stay with my family.
What's his name?
Old boy.
Oh boy.
Hey.
Yeah.
I just like the race shit. I go fast a lot. Big whips need big locks. Too little to talk to the outside patience. It can get dark in the Ville. Them boys they wrong, that's still understandable. They need the meals. I get big bands on the back end. Told big things, not for fashion. She a cute thing, but got fat friends. Don't play about money, bitch. I get my racks. Young nigga loser, hop in my Uber. Don't need a young hoe, need me a cougar. Pull up in Tahoe, smacking on Gouda. I got her
getting distracted, man. I mean, this stuff is fun. But you say what? I think so. I see, right now, I'm filming right now. So that's the only reason why I played with him. But I say, let me chill out because I don't see mom. Yeah, I saw it. That's why I brought it down. I'm chilling. I'm just recording right now. So basically, yeah, like the further you drive, the more gas mileage you get, and then the more your tank opens up. I don't know how to explain it exactly, but like I'm saying, 80 miles for one tank in a Mustang GT. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Figured that because my Focus, my black Focus, it used to do that. So when I was driving this, because I used to work at Amazon, and I was driving this like one time a week. I'm driving all the time, but one time a week to Amazon, I would get close to like 460, and then I stopped driving a couple months ago, and it don't even go close to 4. It don't even go close to 4. You gotta toy with it, you gotta play with it, you gotta learn it. It's learning how you drive and stuff like that. Look at it, that thing clean.
I just like to race shit. I go fast a lot. Big wheels need big locks. Too little to talk to the outside.
But it just learns how you drive and things like that. And then another thing, I say it a lot, but when I first got this Mustang, the previous owner, I'm pretty sure he was racing it, because when I first filled it up, the most it went was 220 miles. Like when I filled it up, that's all I got each round. And I'm like, what? And then when I first test drove it, I swear the pedal response was so crazy. Like especially on drive, not even on sport. On sport, the pedal response is like you gotta wait a little second, but you hit it, then it go. But before I had it, when he was driving, he was hitting it all the time. So the pedal response was so sensitive. Like I tap it. Don't do that all the time, it be jerking. So now, if I want to hit it, I gotta actually, like if I'm in drive, like now, if I'm in drive, and if I want to hit it, I gotta actually push the gas down and hit it. Like, look at it. That thing.
Yeah, it can get dark in the Ville. Them boys they wrong, that's still understandable. They need a milk.
But now I gotta actually press the gas down and hit it. Whereas when I first got it, I didn't have to do that. So basically these cars just learn how you drive and stuff like that. So the car, now that I own it, learn how especially in drive, I don't usually hit it. Like I be chilling. That's how I get good gas mileage. Like people be thinking I'm racing and driving fast all the time. I be chilling, man. Now if I feel like playing, I'll make no odds around. You gonna hear me coming up, man. I promise you that. You gonna hear me coming up. Like with that Lexus. And I get in the head now, but for the most part, I ain't gonna do that. Stop turning your head off. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Hey man, we on the way up, man.
Got that power.